So you just got to notice that you're going to be canceled by your homeowner's insurance. I'm Cale Thomas with Elite Properties Direct. And in today's video, I want to discuss the hot topic right now that insurance companies, by and large, are leaving California, and there's only a few of them left. So I am getting calls from my clients because they're being dropped by their insurance companies, and my clients are basically asking me for help to find them a policy somewhere else. By no means do I sell home insurance, but I am connected with home insurance agents that do a great job here in our local valley. If you're having trouble finding someone, or if you have been canceled, please give me a call. I would love to put you in touch with some people that have done some great work for my clients recently, and they know how to navigate this California environment that is becoming increasingly more difficult. Please call or text me anytime if you'd like to talk about this more. Thanks so much for checking out the video.